Yes guys, so in this video I'm gonna be doing unboxing of BOYA mic, wireless one, okay, what comes in box, how to assemble it, how to attach every single thing, and then we will do test. So just stay connected and please watch this video completely. And but before that, just subscribe my channel, like my video, and please if you can share this with your friend and family, that if really they're looking for wireless mic, so it can help them.
Yes guys, so this is the box you get when you order. So now here I'm gonna open it. So this is the case you get, and this is user manual. I ain't gonna waste your time by getting you through this, so just leave this, but it will help you in future, so just keep this beside. And here goes opening to this case. So as you can see, this one is transmitter, this one is receiver, and this goes with transmitter, which will stay with you. And there are other two cables. As you can see, this cable goes to a receiver. As you can see, this one has 3.5 pin and this one has 2 pin. So this cable goes with receiver, which stays with your phone. And this mic goes with this transmitter. As you can see the mic sign, so you have to put that 2-point pin in this mic sign. So that's pretty much all. As you can see, this one is a mount for phone holder. If you're using phone holder for any tripod, so this is when it helps you. So this is all we get in box. So this is all we get in box. As you can see, this mount goes on the head of this mic, which you can set nearby your mouth for your better quality. As you can see, this transmitter. So this mic goes in this transmitter. There is a mic sign hole, so you just put that pin in that hole. Here it goes. Now your transmitter is ready. It's very simple. Now let's talk about this cable. So as you can see, one head has 3 pin and one head has 2 pin. As you can see, this has 3 pin, this has 2 pin. The build quality is very good. As you can see, no need to worry about the breaking or something. Build quality is way too perfect. This cable, as you can see, this cable is for camera. So if you're using camera, only then you will have to use. So I'm gonna keep it back because I'm gonna use this with mobile phone. This cable has 2 pin. You can use this with any DSLR camera or something. So I'm not gonna use this, so let's keep this back. So this goes, as you can see, one head has 3, one head has 2 pin. Wire is pretty much small, so it's good. As you can see, this sign, so this is where you have to put. So the head which has 2 pin, which will go in this receiver, and 3.5 pin that will go in your phone. So your receiver is also ready, your transmitter is also ready. Now this is a mount for this phone holder. If you're using this kind of phone holder, so simply remove this clip. As you can see, their arrow sign, you can just by twisting, and now you can see the arrow sign. You simply have to take forward and it comes out so clearly, so easily. So now simply in the same way, by following the sign, there is arrow sign, follow that. Now that's all. So that is how you have to attach. There is nothing. Now you need 4 batteries. 2 battery goes to transmitter, 2 battery goes to receiver. And even opening is so easy. Simply follow the arrow sign. It's so easy, so smooth. And don't worry about being confused which head of battery goes where. Simply there's a sign, plus sign and minus sign, so just follow that. Now your transmitter is ready. Now same way, just simply open. I saw so many, I saw in comment that yeah, it was very hard for them to open, they used any knife or something. I don't know why people are so confused. Simply follow the arrow. Now here goes your receiver. As you can see, the light is blinking. So all you gotta do is now to connect with phone. So that's all.
Now I'm gonna do the test, the range of this mic, that in what distance, in how much distance still it works. So let's take a test, guys. So now I'm gonna test how best it works in what range. Okay, so as you can see now, if you're listening from this wireless mic. This is transmitter. So as you can see the range. By the way, this is my first time I'm testing this mic also. So my phone is there in almost I can say this is 20 feet distance. So this is, I can say right now I'm in the 25 distance. The distance between me and the camera is 25 feet. Okay, I don't think so that yeah, you will ever have to leave your phone for that long, means in that distance, and then you will have to go and do blogging or recording. So this is really nice if you heard that voice. So this was the test that yeah, how freely you work. Now there is no wire connected, because I've been recording, I've been making video with a wire mic, and it's so complicated. It makes you limited. You can't move or this that. But with this, you're completely free. You just move your hand, move your body, just show your moves, and that's all. So if you really like the quality, so this credit goes to this BOYA mic. I just want to say sorry if I did any mistake, because this was my first unboxing. So sorry if I did any mistake or stupid